Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check. All right. Good morning, everybody. I am now going live vertically. Used to go live horizontally, but today I've got my 3 combines that I'm trading and 2 funded express accounts on TopStep. Gonna take it slow and just check the markets here. Excuse me, pardon me. Let me clear my throat. A little dehydrated this morning. Had coffee. Didn't drink anything. Powerade Zero. Drink water. So I will do that today. All right, we're watching gold this morning. Lots of downtrend movement. So we'll be looking for shorts. Morning. Just chilling. Actually, let me check market news here. Check it together. I don't know if you guys can see this. But today we have clear skies, no news, no red folder news, I should say. So don't have to worry about that. Only thing we have to probably worry about is Trump tweets. I'm trading TopStep at the moment. I have 2 funded accounts with TopStep, and then I have 3 combined. I'm starting today. I like TopStep. I like Tradeify. Um, those are the 2 I kind of stick with. They're the closest to cash accounts, in my opinion. All right, so we're on the 5-minute candle frame here. I usually keep it nice and simple. Look for a trend line break, which looks like it had one here. Then we had a break of structure. So longs look good. Overall, we are in a downtrend, so I'm not going to be looking for any large movements. Market's about to open in 3. What do you think about Alpha Zero Plan? Never heard of them. There's a lot of prop firms out there, a lot of scam prop firms also. So Alpha Zero Plan prop. To be honest, I have no clue who they are. Never seen them. I'm looking at the website on my other screen. Trade at your own risk, I should say. Alpha futures, yeah, I got it right here. Minimum trading days, $79 for a 50K account. Let's go to the zero plan. No activation fee on zero accounts. Profit target 3,000. 3 contracts max. Drawdown 2. Profit split none. You know, everything looks good so far. Like there's nothing wrong with it. The only thing is if they actually pay out on if they actually pay out on payouts, I should say. So that's it. I mean, the website looks legit. There's a face to the company. I'd have to do more research, but the actual plan, the plan zero, dude, $79 for resets, $99 a month, no activation fees is a good deal. I'd rather go to my funded futures, to be honest, since they're a more household name, because that's around the same price as my funded futures. But my funded futures has a bit more rules to it. All right, market's about to open. Let's check out what NQ is doing. Got Trading View open on another screen. Let's take a look at. My gosh, ripping. ripping higher. Just insane. AI, the AI boom. How I got paid on TopStep. Have I? I don't know if you're saying have I gotten paid? Yes, I've gotten a few payouts with the TopStep rate. Yeah, I mean NQ is crazy right now. We're in 26,000. Crazy. That means we're in ES. We're in the 7,000 range. Yeah, we're about to hit 7,000 on the S&P. Just insane. I was trading S&P at like 3,000. What a time to be alive. I'm a bear at heart, which is my problem. So I want to short this move, but you're gonna get caught. So let's go back to our good old friend gold. So this is the 1 hour time frame. There's a few trend lines I'm gonna watch here. This and me trading with a screen vertically. I think you guys might not see everything. So somehow I gotta fix that. Have this 1 hour trend line. All right. And gonna mark out some sort of supply zone, which would be right here. Ideally, oh, you guys can't see anything. I really gotta adjust this screen. These are brand new evals. How about that? How's that better? Trying to make this as best as possible for you guys. Not getting in anything right away, so get all just chill. All right. How about that? And then I'm just going to bring this down here. Voila. Let me know if that's better for you guys. I'm liking a quick short.
Order filled.
We're gonna put stops above here, and ideally would like to see it come down here, but I'm gonna move to break even. profit here.
Order filled.
All right, closing that trade out. Whoa, I should have left it there. overall trend is short, right? If we look at the 5 minute, we're just continually going down. But in the short term time frame, or in the last 5 to 7 hours, we're trending upwards. So trying to decide if I'm going to take shorts at a certain level, or I'm going to try taking the buys up into the area of shorts. Interested in possibly taking longs if we reject back down here. So why would I be taking longs? I was looking to go long in this 5 minute band. We didn't get there. The 5 minute time frame we closed equal lows. So ideally, I'd like to see some sort of rejection to go long. Hour. What's up with you guys? Hope you're having a good morning. All right, looks like it's not going to come down for us, which is all good. There's a few trend lines here. This is a 5 minute. This is a 1 hour trend line. This trend line's done. This was set earlier. This is the reason why I wanted to get short. Suppose price is going to come up to this trend line. There's a 1 hour supply up here. I think price is a bit bullish for now. Trying to stay patient is the hard part. If you're bored, I'm bored, which means we're doing good. Kind of look interesting. Yeah, I might take the stab short into this demand area. Ah, actually, the top of the hour is about to hit, so I'd rather wait for 7 o'clock. All right, we're at the top of the hour. Just staying patient. Take it short, but I don't know. Ideally, would like to take it long down here if we come back down to this area. Excuse me. Let's take a look at NQ, eh? I just sounded Canadian. Let's take a look at NQ. Why don't we? NQ has just been a little bit choppy. We're pushing for all-time highs, but we're so all-time high that I don't know if going long is safe. If I were to look at longs, I'd look down here. This 5-minute demand. This is a 5-minute supply that we're in right now. Risky taking that short, so see we're making lower lows and lower highs. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't look horrible. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low. So follow the pattern. We want to see it go low. Go lower. There's a little bit of this trend line here, something like that. To break, then possibly go higher. Yeah, I'm trying to short all-time highs. Don't want to mess with that. I like gold here going short. Just want to see a confirmed break of this trend line. Risk $300 to make 8. I like those odds.
Order filled.
All right, we're in short. Got a failed trend line break here. Trying to decide whether I let this thing breathe or not. Well, 5 minute candle's about to close. Feel like it's gonna come up, retest. Might stop me out for no profit. I wanted to add in and still stay at break even, but I have no clue what's gonna happen next. Almost hit my take profit.
Order filled.
All right. So stop me out. I'm good with that. I did see like $700 in profit. It was a little bit frustrating, but what's up, Jake? All right, there you go. Stop me out. Are you kidding me? want to see this pop up to take it short. All right, we're going to take a stab short here. This candle flips.
Order filled.
Stops right above the candle for a quick loss if it hits.
Order filled.
All good. Looks like we're pushing higher, but going to just stay patient. I'm going to look to I want to see this thing flip. Just enter
Order
short.
filled.
All right, we're in short. Gonna risk the profits for today. I can risk 350 and be at break even pretty much for the day. Profit. Might be totally wrong. So if I am, it's a break even day. Don't want to get caught over trading.
Order filled.
All right. So I got stopped out. These are just my evals. I'm not trading my express accounts with TopStep. So weigh out my options. If it, oh my gosh, if it flips, I'd be pretty frustrated. I like shorts, but I'm just getting chopped up here. I would like to go long down here in this 5-minute demand. But, oh my gosh. I don't know if I should go short or not. Looks like shorts ain't it right now. Shorts ain't it. Screw it, y'all, because uh, nah, that's a little emotional. I was about to say. I was like, just screw it. I need to wait for confirmation. So just wait for opportunity. And if I lose, then that's trading. And it's just evaluation. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. This is the final candle. Final seconds for the 5-minute candle. 3. So On the 5 minute time frame, we held. I was looking to go long down here, but that was a little too aggressive. It also happened earlier this morning. I was looking to go long here in this 5 minute demand and didn't get, which is all good. It's all good, guys. We're just chilling, trading some evals. I have 2 Express accounts. I don't want to trade minis on them. I want to trade micros. So this is a 1 hour trend line that I have drawn out, which is now being tapped. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. It's not the prettiest trend line, but it's there. And then there's a 1 hour supply, which is above that. So options are we break and push up into the supply and look for longs because longs look like the play. Or we wait for it to reject maybe below this trend line. Break this below this 1 hour time frame trend line and then break this trend line here to go short. Because right now it's a little bit too risky to go long, in my opinion. All right, lungs. It's 5 minute demand. That is the next play. If we get there, we have this trend line. One-hour supply, which is where I'm looking for price to get to the next 5 minute demand. So there's a few confluences here. 13 EMAs here on the 5 minute time frame. This is the 5 minute demand. Looking for it to bounce off a trend line. And we have been moving upwards for the last hour. So those are all my confluences. So let's see. And since these are combines, max I can make is 1,500 in the day. So oh my gosh. You have to come down to the demand zone where you go up. That's what we're waiting for. Trying to stay patient, feeling a little FOMO if it goes up. I gotta use the bathroom so bad. I gotta pee, but I can't. I can't miss this. Someone take my trade. Someone take the trade on my TopStep. Trend line might be a little off, but I want to see it come down here. So I'll enter in here. It's a little aggressive. I'd like to see it hit the demand zone. Ay, caramba. Can y'all hear the music? Let me know. Man, I really want to see it come tap this demand zone, so I'm gonna play conservative here. My trend line is solid. On my other chart, there's the 200s right up here. So I try to keep no indicators like EMAs off of this chart so I can see clearly like just structure and stuff. Then on my trading view account, I got there's two. All right, it's coming down. Don't, don't do it. Come on, come down here. Come down here. Want to see you come down.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. Risking 300 bucks. I'm gonna be negative for the day, and I'm locking myself out after this trade. Not gonna lie. Oh no, the 13 EMA is too low. I might get cooked here, guys. I might get cooked here. Is literally about to tap the 13 EMA.
Order filled.
Yep. and it just tapped the 13 EMA. Okay. It's tapping the 13 EMA right now on the 5-minute candle with the trend line break. But this is where I'm looking to go long. All right, it's starting to flip, so I'm going to see if we can get tapped in here.
Order filled.
These are just evals. I have 2 Express accounts here. I am not trading yet. Ideally, if we bottomed it, would like to see it come up to this 1 hour supply. Don't know if that's too aggressive. I can't let it come and stop me out after that large move, so I gotta. I can be break even today. That would be break even. What should I do, y'all? What should I do? It tapped on that trend line. Shorts might be looking better. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. All right, if this flips, I'm out. I'm gonna take my 150 bucks and be at pretty much break even.
Order filled.
All right, I'm down $9 for the day. That was a solid move. Looks like shorts might step in. Um, Tough call. Might flip my bias here. Eh, just gonna be patient. Ah, I feel the FOMO. See, learn from me, guys. I would have just left my stop loss where it was. We'd be up. But that's the name of the game. It could keep dumping and I would be like, oh, stopped out. But you have to like think about these emotions when you're trading. So ideally, 5 minute demand was perfect, but I let the 1 minute candles scare me. So we were looking at this 5 minute demand right here. Patience, we got in. Oh, we got stopped out the first time, got back in. We came up. I was afraid for it to hit my stop loss. And instead of letting it play out, leaving my stop loss, took a small win to get us at break even for the day. And now we would have been up right above here. 700, 800. Okay, third time's a charm. If we come back to this 5 minute demand, I'm going to hold it. So we got a 5 minute. Oh, this is 1 hour supply above here. We were in on this 5 minute demand, but I got stopped out in profit. So now we created this new 5 minute demand here. And would like to see this 5 minute candle close higher and then reject to go. Yes, this is gold. Good old gold.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Gonna risk $300 on this trade. To potentially make 1,000. The 5 minute candle didn't close the prettiest, not gonna lie. The 5 minute here didn't make a new high, so looking for this 5 minute candle to close up here, then reject down in the target next. Man, don't play with me, man. Just hit my TP. I'm gonna get out. Just hit my TP, y'all. Bruh. It's because the EMAs are coming together, the 213, so it gets really like choppy on the 5 minute. If they were to cross over, if the 13 were to cross the 200, it's a bullish move. Come on. Come on. Don't do it to me. Uh, I have to decide whether I want to leave $300 loss and take the loss or stay at break even uh, for the day. Yep, about to stop me out. $22 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. Top of the hour, 8 o'clock. I'll just get out. I'm going to lock myself out for the day. Again, these are just evals. This is not my express funded accounts.
Order filled.
Oh, if it goes up, don't trade like me. If it goes up, you don't want to be me. You don't want to be me, guys. You don't want to be me. I didn't learn from the last time this happened. Oh, okay. Well, this is trading. Like, this can completely dump, and I can feel good about the fact that I was at break even and a smart move, Shaq, blah, blah, blah. It's all probabilities. This could do what it did earlier, or I moved to break even, or I moved in profit, stopped out, where if I would have just left my stop loss, we would have had a winner, right? Now I'm doing it again. I'm in here. I move my stops to a little bit in profit or break even. And this can completely dump, and I can say, oh, sweet, good move, Shaq, you're smart. And now I'm saying, good move, Shaq, you stupid. You should have just did what you said you were going to do last time, which is just leave it. Because now it's going to take profit, so. Ay, caramba. Watch this. Bada bing. Boom. Lock me out. I'm locked out. So no more trading for the rest of the day. The beautiful part about TopStep. I do have my express funded accounts, but I don't feel like trading those yet. Okay, guys, if there's anything that you're going to learn from today, it's leave your stop loss when you're in the trend. Like and follow, comment something, say what's up. Follow me on Shaq MT if you made it this far. Appreciate you.